honestly thinking about going back to Sony. I've been vlogging with this GH52 and it's starting to drive me crazy. All right, we're at Spin Down, which is the event after Spin Up. I did a really bad job of documenting and vlogging yesterday, so I'm gonna try to do a better job today. We're out here at this AMA field. It's my last day to be able to test the Sicario that I picked up from Troy. Now, I already got one pack in this morning on it, and damn, it flies good. I'm incredibly happy. I'm testing red Komodo weight to make sure that it's gonna work well for my client's camera, and I think it's gonna be perfect. So much so that I think I'm gonna end up buying another one from him because it's just a lot less of an issue when you let somebody else build your quads. So anyways, I'm gonna go get back over there, test, tune, and then we are leaving here about 11 o'clock to go meet up with a friend somewhere near Houston. All right, let's get the day started.
Just gotta keep it holding down.
Yeah, we're not gonna hand land that. I've never backed away from a hand landing before, but I'm gonna go with the no.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the pride, respect, and I heard you know so.